today we are back and we are doing leaf pounding. So here I have some leaves and I have a hammering block that it's actually a brick that I'm going to be using, and it's flat so it doesn't have the holes, and I have the scissors and I have the hammer, and I'm going to start off by telling you that this is a folk art which the Native American Cherokee women used to basically decorate their clothes by using leaves. So what I've done is I've chosen some leaves. I've chosen dark ones so it would show up on the fabric, and basically we're going to be hammering these into the fabric to make something really cool, okay? And I hope you enjoy the birds and all the different things chirping in the back. I couldn't do this inside because I would basically fracture the floor, whether it be tile or the wood, but you don't need to be doing all that hammering inside, definitely not. So this is the first step. I want to show you all the different things that I have, okay? So we're going to get started. I'm going to start off by showing you that we're going to be using this bag. It's 100% cotton. It's just kind of like a little tote bag. And I'm going to be putting these leaves on this, okay? So I have it positioned right there. There's something on the back, of course, but we're not going to be doing the leaves on that side. I'm going to flip it over, just like that, okay? So right here is the end of that block. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the darkest one, which I think might be this one here. So I'm going to put that on there. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so now once you put your leaf on there, you're going to cover it up with a cloth. I'm just going to pull this from the top and just flatten out your leaf. There you go, it's underneath there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the hammer and I'm going to hammer this all the way through. Now, if you think it's going to move, then definitely hold it. So I'm going to put the camera down, and I also want you to see that you will see the colors come up that way. Okay, they're also going to go on the opposite side. I'm going to hammer this for a little bit, and then I'm going to show you the results after I hammer it, okay? So give me just a moment and we'll be right back. I've been hammering this. I've had to stop a couple of times and adjust the leaf so I make sure that I'm getting it all through. But for the most part, I think that all the chlorophyll is coming through, because you can see the color. This is really cool. You'll see as I press, I know that I'm doing it correctly because the edges of the leaves are starting to show. This is really fun. It's a great way to get some anxiety out too, because you're sitting here and you're pressing away. This is really cool. There we go. Alright, I think that I've done enough. I don't want to do it too much or I might mess something up. I'm also going to pull it back because I think that I didn't get the tip. Because there's supposed to be like this sharp tip there. So let's see if I'm missing something. Oh, I was. Look at that. Now I got the tip. There it is right there. I knew I was missing something. Alright, we're going to push real hard. Alright, so let's see what we got. Alright, y'all. Look at this. I could not believe this, okay? So, this is what we transferred. So I'm going to show you the difference, okay? So here's this, all right? Now before you beat it, it's like this, and then as you beat it, it turns like a dark brown color because you basically pushed all those chemical properties out, okay? And then look what you're left with. This amazing print. It almost looks like I painted this, doesn't it? It's really cool. So I'm gonna do a couple more, and I actually think this is the perfect leaf for this project. This is really awesome. So I'm going to do a couple more, and we're going to fill this entire bag up here. I think this is awesome. Let's do some more. Here we go. So let's go. This is the third one. So we have 3. And there's our little beat up thing there. Alright. Put it away. And I'm gonna do one more, like on the other side. Alright, so with this one, I'm going to do the fern. So we're gonna have all these, and then we're gonna have the fern right there. So I'm gonna put, like, I'm gonna center it. Which is gonna be really hard because, like, we have this little brick, and it's not the perfect thing to use, really. The more I do this, but we'll do half of the fern, and that will be it. Okay, so we'll just see. We're just kind of like doing, you know, this canvas cotton fabric, and we're just kind of like experimenting with a shape here. So let's put that underneath it and watch the pattern here. I like this here. It always shows you where you're going. So when I reach the edge there, I know it. Because it kind of stops. But everybody thinks that I'm over here like building a house or something. But they're like, I didn't know they were building something. Well, I didn't know either. Building a beautiful project here. I'll be more than happy to show them what I'm building, and I can help them make one. Building a lovely project. Alright. I'm gonna try not to wobble this too much. Alright. Almost done. Get the tip there. So we hammered that all in. All that stuff came out. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Just want to leave that there. I think I almost pushed it all. I think I pushed it all. I pushed it in. Look at that. It's almost like I pushed it and dissolved. Hey, that's okay if it dissolved. It means I got a good, powerful hand. All right. So we're going to peel this off, right? If I can. Alright. So it's brown a little bit. Not what I was expecting. It was going to be a little green. But that's fine because we got the print there. Of course, a couple of these are stuck on, but once I wash it, the rest will come off. So I'm going to pull that there. There we go. The cool thing is, if you're good with painting, you can always paint this too. You can paint over it. So this can be like a rough draft, and you can go over it with your paint and enhance it, you know? So the rest I'm just gonna rub off, okay? Give me just a couple seconds to rub the rest of these leaves off. You gotta try not to rub, I guess, too hard because you don't want because this stuff, you know, attaches to cotton so well, you don't want to rub it and push it in. So we got that there, okay? So let's dust this off. Ugh. All right, let's see what we have. This is so natural, you know, you're not using any chemicals to paint or anything. This is what I really like, you know, no chemicals. It's very eco-friendly. Natural dye from plants. It's beautiful. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to find a really nice top this week, and I'll do this tutorial with something even nicer, like a nice pretty white top. I would bring something out, but I really don't have too many white things left after dyeing them today, so I'm left with this, but I'm very happy. So there is our bag. Okay, our canvas bag is done. It is complete. I'm gonna put it out there a little bit better. Here we go. Of course, I can add a little bit more, but I am happy with it. I'm more so happy with this side, not that side. I really don't like that. And plus, there's a lot of fern on there still. but I'm very much happy with the bag. I think I did a good job. So if you ever want to do this, it's really fun. All you need is a hammer, a very nice sturdy brick with no holes in it, a bunch of leaves. I suggest this kind right here with the spikes. It's pretty. You see how it came out? And also the darker the leaf, the better it will show up. Of course, I do have like this peasant shirt that I was going to try to work with, but I just don't think that I want to do that yet. Got something else planned for this. Another dyeing project, and I'm going to save that for later. But thank you for watching, and here's our final product. Thank you.